it's asking for same password 123. Press enter key. Press again Control A. Now NextGen Private Limited company is created. Then to shut down this, press Control plus F3, shut it down, and say that 5 digits number. So first 5 digits number 10,000, second 5 digits number 10,001. But for the 10,001, company name is not displaying because of the option is you have enabled and you have issued Tally Vault password. So in Tally, we can create companies in two ways. Can be created two ways. One is secured and second one is unsecured. And what must have to activate? Have to activate Tally Vault password, and next thing is user access level, user control. Okay. Then what Tally Vault does, when you issue Tally Vault password, it encrypts name of the company which you have created. Then second thing is user control. You can create many users and you can assign different set of password and also privileges. Okay, so create user levels and we can assign privileges so as you want. So this is a concept. So this is a simple method how we can create a company. Okay, next, sir, I would like to delete. Okay, now first you check this data area, like the menu path as I said here. Open C colon users, then public Tally Prime data. So copy these two and right click on desktop wherever you like and create a folder and name that as a Tally backup. Press enter key and save it. So just I made copy and paste. Okay, if I delete these two company, okay, how can I delete? It's very simple. First open Tally companies and use Alt plus K, then alter, Alt plus D. It is deleting. Press enter key for this. It's deleted. Next again, open your secured company. Then it's asking Tally Vault password. Press enter key once if you assigned. Then notice the company name. Is it correct or not? Then it's asking for username. Username is admin. Then password 123. press enter key. Now NextGen Private Limited company also opened. Then how can I use alter? Now I would like to change the company name. Okay, so better you open this Alt K, alter, and change the company name. So instead of NextGen, I'll take NICT Computer and press Ctrl A and press Escape and do shutdown. Ctrl F3. Okay. Again press enter key for that 10,001 5 digits number. See, it's not asking because I have not issued that tally world password in the alteration mode. Okay. So Control F3, press enter key. Alt K, alter, Alt D. Are you sure to delete? Yes. Now company is completely deleted. There is no company in the menu path like users public tally.erp, sorry, tally prime slash data. So whatever I have copied, okay, so I'll use it back. So select these two, do copy and paste them into the data menu path, C colon users public tally prime data, then paste. Now try to access, is that available or not? So to refresh once and see this. So whatever I have deleted, it is restored. I mean, it's not restored, just I moved into the data menu path. Okay. Suppose if you dial directly, if you delete, then this also not available. See, once I'll show you. This is our data menu path. I'll be deleting this one. So 10,001 is available. So do refresh once. Press N and see this. 10,000 companies not there because I deleted from the menu path itself. Okay, now if I create one more company, so what is the 5 digits number it will take? Does it take 10,000 or does it take 10,002? So use the chat box and answer for this query. So I deleted 10,000 5 digits number, the first one which I've created. Okay, then second one, it still is there. If I create one more company in the same menu path, does it take 10,002 or does it take 10,000? So Vishwas is telling that, saying that 10,002, sir. Okay. Rahil, what about your answer? Rakshit, 10,002. Then Sayed, Parikshit, 10,002. Good. Okay, doesn't matter of right or wrong. Okay, let's see. Practical, I'll show you. So this is also one of the interview question. Okay. Okay, now let's see. Create a new company and say that Is it taking 10,000 or 10,002? Okay, so I use this TCS Limited. Telephone number, mobile number. Then assign password itself. Then use access user access control and use the same admin page and accept save it. Again, it's asking Tally World password, then user and press control. Okay, next you shut down this control plus F3, press enter key. See what happens. First, it identifies that whichever is number is not available. Then your tally itself it's fill up that numbers and it takes that next new number when you're creating one more new company. Is it understood now? Whichever lower number is not available, if you deleted any one of the company from the data menu path, which identifies that anything gets deleted by the setup manager. Okay, so open your company, whichever you want. So this is what I've covered. Like till now, what I've covered here, I've shown you how to summary of this classes, how to download it, next how to uninstall it, next about Tally, then Tally installation, then the installation, make ensure what is application path, then data path, how to create, sorry, how to activate license, then how to create a company, how to alter and delete. So here I've demonstrated secured company and unsecured company. So how to create secured and unsecured. So this much what I've covered. Is there any doubts before start of the next before moving to the next topic? You understood this much? Use the chart box. Okay. So one more thing is very important is Tally versions. So Tally has different set of versions like 4.5, then Tally 5.4, next we have Tally 6.3, then Tally 7.2, then we have a Tally 8.1, then Tally 9, then Tally dot ERP9, and in the Tally.erp9 it has some releases like a series A, release series A 1.0 series, next 2.0 series, 4.3.0 series, 4.0, then 5.0. When it comes to 6.0 onwards, Tally.erp9 release